Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and we're going to do a quick look as I've been asked. It's been a while since we've done it, and it's nice to check out because sometimes things change about the privacy settings within Windows 10 and 11. So we'll look at the same privacy settings, but we'll have separate videos for Windows 10 and Windows 11. So we're going to look at the privacy settings and the general privacy settings in Windows 10. So you go into your Start menu, go into the Settings app, and here you will go into the Privacy tab. And the first option at the top is General. So General contains 4 options. What are they? First one is Advertising ID. You've noticed apps in Windows 10, some might show ads. The advertising ID is there to give you ads that are relevant to what you do. If you turn this off, you still have ads. It doesn't change anything, but it will not be ads that are relevant because it will stop kind of tracking what you do, and it will not look at your activity to give you these ads. So in a way, it's kind of stopping the tracking and just giving you random whatever in ads instead on the different apps like the Microsoft Store, for example. So this you can let on or off. Since anyways there's ads, I leave it on personally because I'd rather have something that might interest me than a random whatever. But if you prefer not to have minimized the tracking that Windows 10 does, well, you can turn that off. The other one is another tracking type of privacy option, which is let websites provide locally relevant content by accessing my language list. What does that mean? Well, when you choose languages in Windows, it of course often is a language that's very specific to a region. For example, if I choose French Canada, then of course it will give me content that has to do with something that might be locally in French, but catered to where I live and not French from France. So I want to have things in France pop up. So this, of course, is another way of tracking, a little bit of who you are. So you can turn this off also if you wish. The other one is let Windows track app launches to improve start and search results. It's kind of a way for Microsoft to kind of see how you use your PC in a way. And by tracking the way that, the apps that you use and how you use them, there's maybe a way that they can actually kind of help you with the search results in the settings search, for example, or the search results when you use the search on the taskbar. It's not super clear exactly to what point, what do they do exactly. So I keep that one off personally. And then it's show me suggested content in settings app. We know how Windows 10 sometimes is annoying in displaying ads within Windows as suggested content. So that's the reason why I will keep this one off, is because I just don't want you to suggest me anything. And I just want you to leave me alone. So that one is also one that I keep off. In general, in here, of course, if you want to have your privacy at maximum level, well, you can just turn all of them off so that there's the minimum amount of tracking possible within Windows 10 with the general privacy options. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe. Give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.